Mason, if you get up to 35 miles per hour, I'll give you $20, okay? Okay, Lillian, 12 miles an hour is your goal, okay?
Why?
Just have fun, just go right around.
Wow.
Is that Axel Hodges? Let's see some wheelies, Luke. What in the world? Really?
Hey, dude.
Shoot, man. You're not used to that much traction on your tires, are you, Luke?
No, I did a wheelie out of the start and you told me to do it again and then I looped out.
I know, because you're not used to that much traction. See what I have to put up with, guys? I do all that work to get my son's bike sounding better, and then he goes and fills the exhaust with sod. All right, so check it out. We're back here at Portland International Raceway. This time we're here for a practice. We're just gonna be doing a little training, a little bit of practicing with the boys. What's up, Mason? So here's my plan for today. This is our goal, all right? So Mason has two bikes. He's got a 4-stroke TTR 90, and he's got the Polini 50. The 50 is the faster bike, but his lap time is always faster on the slower bike, the TTR. So we're gonna try to fix that today. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna attach my iPhone to the handlebars of his TTR 90. Then he's gonna go out and do one practice session. We're gonna see just how fast he's able to go around the track at different points. Then the next practice session, he's gonna do the same thing, but with the Polini 50. And my idea is that if he's able to see how fast he goes on the TTR, he can believe in himself and he can match that speed on the faster bike that he's not as comfortable with. That's step one. My first goal is I want to get him to go as fast on the Polini as he does on the TTR, and then after that, to go even faster. So let's see how this works. Luke, how do you like the new tires? Did you notice a difference?
Hey, it's great. It's great.
No? So Luke, let's guess, how fast do you think Mason's gonna get up to on the track?
I'm gonna guess 24.
24? Let's see if you can beat 25, okay?
I'm gonna try to beat Mason.
You're gonna try to beat 30?
Mason, the only spot you're gonna do that is that straightaway because you can't
30?
hold that much speed.
Yeah, 30 on a track's pretty good, buddy, but if you could do that, that'd be sick.
saw the yellow flag down, and then they told me to go left instead of right. And then I saw these two kids down, and I'm like, wait, is that Luke's bike? And I looked back, and Luke was there, laying on the ground. No!
Matter what hurts your leg? What?
Mason, how was that?
It was so fun. Now Lucas crashed and he left. That's how fun it is.
Thanks for giving the update that we didn't need yet. Okay, as he was saying, Luke crashed and he thinks he's okay, but he's just gonna call it a night. So Luke's gone. We're left with the one and only Mason to entertain you for the remainder of the vlog. So Mason, how fast did you get?
Wow, Dad. 35 exact.
You got up to 35?
Exact.
Okay, so we're gonna switch it up. You're gonna ride the Polini this time. I want you to see if you can get up to 30 on it, all right? Mason, if you get up to 35 miles per hour, I'll give you $20, okay? Lillian, I keep reaching in my pocket to grab my phone, and then I'm like, oh crap, where'd my phone go? And then I remember it's on Mason's bike. It's happened to me like 10 times tonight. Go Mason! Woo! See what I mean, Lillian? He's going so much slower on the faster bike.
I told him to.
You told him to? You're responsible for this. Lillian? You're ruining everything. Come on, Mason, pin it, buddy.
Good, Mason.
Get after it, dude. Pin it right there. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, buddy! When he comes by, I need you to cheer for him, okay? Let's practice. Say, go, Mason! You want to practice? Here we go. Come on, Mason! Woo!
How's that? How's that, Dad?
I'll give you a 7 out of 100. At least he's going slow enough for me to see that my phone's still there. This is what we're talking about. We're just working on it. We're just trying to get better. He's slowly getting more comfortable with this bike, and we'll just keep at it until we get there. Hey Lillian, can you get me a camera with a better zoom for Christmas?
What?
Oh, he's booking it through here. He's going pretty good right there. Yeah, go Mason! Woo! Good job, Mason. Did you get up to 35 miles per hour?
I actually got up to 41.
You got up to 41? Shut up. Are you serious?
Yeah, check that. That's faster than Dad goes on the freeway.
Oh crap, I just lost 20 bucks.